Vão House by FB+MP Arquitetos Associados in CIDADE KARIRIS, Brazil. The Vão House program is developed on a plot of land with limited dimensions, directing the development of the plan strategically. The nominal allusion to the house is completely literal. The entire first floor is large and houses the social part from the entrance to the back, with only 3 closed annex blocks: garage, office, and service area. One of the premises of the needs program was the integration of the internal spaces with the greenery of the exterior landscaping, and, at the same time, the maintenance of visual privacy, which led us to adopt some facades that are blind to outsiders. But when you enter the spaces, there is a juxtaposition of strategic openings to prioritize natural resources, ventilation and lighting. The intimate sector, on the other hand, is completely distributed on the upper floor, housing 3 suites. The Vão House has a purist volumetric design. A concise relationship between the blocks and the structure, all in exposed materials, the red clay of the tiles, the concrete blocks, and the gray of the beams and pillars, affirm the substantiality brought to the house, which moves between the objective lines of brutalism and industrialism.